Let's talk about working at the library. What is it like working at the library? I can clean the bookshelves. I can organize the books. I can clean the computers. I can organize the DVDs. I can help put books back on the shelves. I can pull books for holds. I can move books on a cart. I can clean the tables. I can work on the computer. I can return books to the librarian. I can help others find books. I can clean the floors. I can help check out books. I can set up rooms for meetings. I can help organize magazines and comic books. I can help with filing. I can have meetings with library staff. I can help others on the computer. Time for questions. What should you wear to a library job? Who is working at the library? What is she doing? What is this person doing? What is the girl doing? What is he doing? Key words to learn.